Hello, my name is Evan Middlesworth, and welcome to another episode of Mix It Up. Today, I'll be making a Kansas City Moscow Mule. All right, our ingredients for the Kansas City Moscow Mule. We've got rye whiskey, bitters, ginger beer, and lime. So to make this drink here, get a Collins glass. I don't have that, so I've got this glass right here. Fill it up with ice. Next step is to add 1 shot of rye. Then we're going to add 4 dashes of bitters. A little bit of lime. And mix it all together with your ginger beer. Garnish with a bit of lime on the side. And you're good to go. Cheers from Pablo Center.